Hi everybody, I'm Mike. You normally see Jill doing these videos, but after last week's long video, she strained her voice, and she's resting up, so I'll be showing you the video this week. We did this uniform tee for the Wolfpack traveling baseball team, and this is a Spirit Wear t-shirt for the team, as is this one. Here we have lightweight hoodies for store's lawn service. The customer likes these because they are excellent for people who work outside in the summer and want to limit their sun exposure. These prints are for Leon Builders, and we have them over the heart, on the sleeve, and also on the back. We embroidered some items for the LaSalle County 4-H horse competition, a blanket with image and text, an embroidered backpack, and an embroidered grooming kit bag. The Illinois Department of Natural Resources has here a colorful state design with text. A lucky boy gets this towel embroidered with this race car. Last week Heritage Harbor Marina had uniforms done for their housekeeping staff, and they turned out so well that others wanted them too. Here is a polo with their embroidered logo. Jeremiah Joe Coffee has here an apron embroidered for a new employee. Finally, closing out the video is this polo for the Cantlin Law Firm. I enjoyed standing in for Jill today, but I wish her a speedy recovery, and a quick return, and I thank you for joining us today. So long for now.